Having a pool robot storage solution near your pool makes pool cleaning habits easier. Creating or using hooks to hold your power supply means that it's always ready to turn on and use. Plus, if you use your pool robot on a schedule, having the power supply in the storage container enables it to not get wet in case it rains. It takes less than a minute to plug in your pool robot to the electric outlet and throw your pool robot into the pool. The last key component of the storage solution is to make sure your pool robot tracks do not sit on the ground. I used bricks with a foam pad on top where the pool robot base can sit on top of. For the rest of this video, I'm just showing how I clean and pack up the pool robot after it's done cleaning. If you are interested in building your own DIY pool robot storage solution, please see the description below for affiliate links on how to do so. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.